Handcrafted Designs, and I want to show you a quick tutorial on my continuing series of leather. This time it's going to be leather on fabric, and I'll show you right quick how to make these reversible earrings. And actually you can just take that clip and switch it, and then you'll have reversible earrings. Both these pairs are reversible and this one is not, but I'll show you a quick tutorial how to do this. So let's get started. Okay, I'm using Gorilla Glue to adhere the fabric to the leather, and I'm spraying a good amount on the fabric, and also I'm spraying some on the other side of the leather. Okay, all right, so I'm just burnishing that really good, and then I'm going to take it to the cutter. Oh, it's cut really nice. I do have the setting spray and have an X2, but that cut very clean. I'm satisfied with the results of the settings that I made for this one. Okay, all right, and I am using Duo Transfer Gel, and I'll put a link in the description for that, to put some gel on the mini stencils that I made, and there is a link in the description for the other videos that I used and I made the stencils. And I'm just putting in a generous amount on there, as you can see, trying to get into all the grooves. And I find it better doing one at a time so I can get the designs pretty much the same. And I'm lifting it off, look at that. Okay, and I'm using a bronze color, and I'm just burnishing it very lightly so the foil can adhere to the Duo gel. And this is very forgiving. If you miss a spot, you can lift it up, and then you can put it back down and burnish some more like I just did just now. Okay, and the big reveal. Nice, I really like that. Okay, so now I'm using another color. This looks like the gold. I think I'm using a gold color. I just wanted to try the different ones. I have all different colors, but I haven't tried any of the other colors yet, which I probably will do somewhere down the line. Okay, all right, and I'm giving it a good burnish. And like I said, if you miss a spot, you can lift it up. You could do it again. And I think I missed a corner there, so I'm just doing it again on the corner. And look at that. Okay, I did it 2 times to show y'all how easy it is really to get this foil on this leather. Okay, all right, so now I'm putting the hardware on. And this is the 2-part one. So I decided to use the brass color, or the gold tone color. Yeah, I think I used the gold tone color for that one. And actually this is the brass color because I wanted to pick up the brass foil that I had. Okay. All right, sometimes I can get these hooks so quickly, and sometimes it takes more time. But no matter how many times you do it, it's just no fast way of doing this. It's, you know, the pliers slip, and you just got to take your time. Okay. All right, looks like I finally did get that one, and that's the 2-part one. This is the one that's not reversible. Okay, so I'm doing the one that's reversible. I'm using the pinch belt clips, my favorite clips. And the pinch belt clips, you can actually, it's easy to use your fingers or your nails to just pull it apart and then pull it apart again if you want to make it reversible. You may or may not want to let your customer know about that. But it's, in essence, you get 2 pairs of earrings when you have reversible. But there's a link in the description on these pinch belt clips. Because as you know by now, this is my favorite earring hardware. Okay, and there we have it. Okay. All right, so the last one I used a gold tone foil, and this is a two-part. This is the one that's not reversible, if I can recall. It's using just the jump rings on the lower part and then the jump rings on the upper part. Okay, these files will be available on my website. I probably will have them up by this weekend, but they're simple round designs. You may already have something like this, but I'll put a link for you to purchase any of the designs that you see on my Go Imagine website. Okay, all right, so that is the third pair that we did, and I really like the way those came out. I really do. All right, and this is the final product on my models. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank Sherika Original Handcrafted Designs for the inspiration.